Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the determination of fixed exchange rate or equilibrium exchange rate. The value of currency of each country in term of other currency depend upon the demand for supply and of their currency. The theory of determination rate of exchange is the demand and supply theory. According to this theory, the rate exchange for country currency determined by the demand and supply of foreign exchange. The sources of demand for foreign exchange and the payment in foreign exchange cause demand for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange demanded by domestic resident for the following reason: to purchase goods and services for foreign countries, to purchase financial asset in the foreign countries, and to send gift grant to abroad, to make payment of international trade, to make payment for international loans, to split on the value of foreign currency, to undertake foreign tours. There is an inverse relationship between the price of the foreign exchange and demand for foreign exchange. When exchange rate is rise, demand for foreign exchange falls and vice versa. That is why demand curve foreign exchange become downward sloping. This is due to the fact that the rise in the price of foreign exchange will increase the rupees of foreign goods while make them more expensive. As the result, import will fall. Thus, the demand for foreign exchange will also decrease. Suppose foreign exchange rate fall, it means that import etc. have become cheaper because now we have to pay less for import. As a result, demand for import rise. Tourism abroad is promoted. This lead to increase in demand for foreign exchange. Similarly, if exchange rate rise, the demand for foreign exchange fall. From the above diagram, you can see that when at point C, the exchange rate OR and demand for dollar is OQ. At point C, when exchange rate is fall, the exchange rate fall OR1 and demand increases OQ1. At point A, when exchange rate rise OR2, then demand for dollar is decreased, that is OQ2. Next, sources of supply of foreign exchange. Supply of foreign come under foreigner who make a payment in foreign exchange for different purpose. The following factor cause supply of foreign exchange, that is export of country to the rest of the world, direct foreign investment, direct purchase of goods services by the non-resident in the domestic market, speculative purchase by the non-resident in the domestic market, and there is a direct relationship between the price of foreign exchange and supply of foreign exchange. When exchange rate rise, supply of foreign exchange also rise and vice versa. That is why supply curve is upward sloping. This is due to the fact that the rise in the price of foreign exchange make home country goods cheaper to foreign, since the rupees is depreciating in value. The demand for export will increase. The supply of foreign exchange will be also rise. In the diagram, you can see that at point B, exchange rate OR and supply for dollar is OQ. At point A, when exchange rate is right, that is OR1, the supply for dollar is also increased, that is OQ1. At point C, when exchange rate is fall, that is OR2, then supply for dollar is also fall, that is OQ2. Now, equilibrium exchange rate. What do you mean by equilibrium exchange rate? Well, equilibrium exchange rate is determined at a point where demand for and supply of foreign exchange are equal. Graphically, intersections of demand and supply curve of foreign exchange determine the equilibrium exchange rate of foreign currency.